he died young. What's the deal? Welcome to another New York session. Once again, the assassins have failed. We've made it here, suckers. And yeah, get it underway. Get cracking. Move your body. Flex and flex and flex and flex. Come on. All right, my Spartans, my Wixicans. Interesting. Got a closure above here, but we pushed up, filled this whole wick, and no top wick. God damn it! Look at this hourly closure. That's lame. All right. Daly's made an attempt to reflip. Not done so. But reflipped and then reflipped back bearish. All right, well, we are bullish on the daily. The 4-hour closed bullish, weak bullish, leg candle, but at support. And we've pushed up here above the range. I'm going to remain bullish here until we can get some kind of range 2 breakout to come down. But we also can't look for this push up because we don't have a top wick here. So we can maybe look for a push up 2 here, but not anything else because there's no top wick there. Let's see. Possible bearish push. Like I said, we need a range 2 breakout. So I'd need to come back below this area, below the 15 here, below the resistance we made. Get a bullish closure, and then we can look to trade below that bullish closure, wherever it may be. So we either fake out, get that push up to here, or we do not fake out and we hold that resistance area and we close below it. And then we're looking for the breaks of that support to continue down to these areas. All right, that's what we're gonna look for, either that fake out or this hold. Got it. Fish. Understood. Thunderstruck.
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
And if we can get this on a 30 and a break of that low for NYC open, if this is the, or I'm sorry, if this is the 15, this is the next 15, and the 30 closes below, then we're looking for these sells. Hey, what's up, man? Sam in the building. Good to see ya. Good to see ya.
Yeah. Morning, brother. Morning.
What's up, man?
Good morning, gang.
Good dealio.
Morning, Jay.
Morning, Sam. Welcome, everybody. Don't forget to drop a like. Appreciate you guys being here.
Yeah, please drop a like. Sub to the channel. Uh-oh. I hear my echo. But it's gotta be, I think that was Sam. We good though. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I was most likely going to be an NYSE open position. It looks like the way this 15 looks, you're going to need to see the next 15 either print bullish here or below the range. I think we can get that. NYSE open seems really good right now.
It's way too early because I thought this Marcus name in here was Marcus Ruiz just popping in the chat in the stream.
Wait, you saw what?
There's Marcus in here on the Zoom side,
Yeah.
and I thought it was Marcus Ruiz
On the
joining
other
in.
side? No.
Yeah.
The markets in here is Deshaun. Boy, something like that. Something like that. Yo, I got taken out. On that runner yesterday. My entry for sells was right here. I got taken out by this, and then the fucker did this. I mean, I did secure over there, but I just went to bed. This was what, 1 a.m. here? Yeah, I went to bed and I was like, man, around 1 a.m. I was like, this thing, because this thing made a top wick here and then dropped to here. And I was like, all right, yeah, I'll just go to bed, wake up in the morning, and see what it does. Next thing you know, I wake up in the morning, I see this right here. I'm like, fuck, it didn't run. Closed full on the live, but on the funded here, I left the shit running. Funny because I left this, and this was my TP here too. $44.22. Below the range, so see if this can close down here, and then we're gonna need the next 15 to either fake out or hold this resistance. Then we should be good. What's up, Hector? You got your account?
Oh, not yet.
Can you check your email? Yeah, they told me first thing tomorrow morning. Check your email. Not, I'm gonna
Yeah,
send him a
I
message.
just checked my email right now, and
Send him a message right now.
I don't know.
Oh, that's a different Marcus. Get it. I'm going bullish, bro. Make an entry in 15. I make an entry. It's in 15. Okay, the way it's setting up right now, you need another 15-minute candle, which takes us into NYC open, which means volume. If we get an entry and understand and knowing that there's volume, make an entry. What about medication? Have you had yours this morning? Barzone here? No, he'd be complaining that I'm muted. Calling it. Calling it. Oh God, or I'm calling it long. Nine minutes. Chat. Either this or this. Oh, I don't even have that. I drew it. Damn. Roland, twin, I'm learning from you. Making an educated guess. Nah, you're just guessing. You can make a higher quality guess once the candle closes. I think the educated guess in that situation is I got no fucking clue what's gonna happen because gold has not shown its hand yet. It just hasn't. It has not. Yeah, we're gonna wait another 15. 2 minutes are up here. We're gonna wait till NYC opens, see what the next 15 does. Like I said, we either want to fake back out, close back above the range, continue up here, or I said we want to hold that area and then look for a break here. Come down. Either this or this. We want to see one of these two things. Anything else would take away from what we're doing. You probably can make a better guess than I can. No, not in this case. I don't think so. Your guess is just as good as mine at this point, right now. I can make a better guess after the next candle. But at this point, your guess is just as good as mine. All right, I just grabbed some liquidity, so I think it's time to move. Time for the markets to go. All right, 15 closed. This is what we need to see this candle. And we want this candle to do either this or this. right? That this is going to direct your workflow. The next step. So we want a bullish candle, regardless of how strong it closes, how weak. We want a bullish candle. Either above the range or below the range, but a bullish candle. It's gonna be nothing for the next 12, 13 minutes, 12 minutes here. If you got something to do it now, because right after that, I'm expecting a trade. Yeah. Whatever you gotta do. If you gotta go walk your uncle's fucking sister's brother's daughter's dog, go do it now. You need to make coffee, go do it now. If you gotta smoke, go do it now. And come right back. I don't know what you gotta do. Maybe you have a fucking Pokemon battle. 9:15. Go do it. Really? Wow, I've been going in. I've been going in. Damn. I can't replicate those jokes. You do intraday. I try not. I never plan on doing intraday trading because like the more time you spend on the charts in the markets in a trade, the more risk you're exposed to. So, yeah. You're literally my twin. Got the blue eyes and all, bro. He's trying to get into the family. Are you rich? If you're rich, then people can also call you Dick. But if you're rich, tell me your name is Rich. Rich. That's so fucking crazy. You're rich. Yes, we are brothers. That's so wild. Yeah, I'm rich too. Except that's not my name. Said I am rich. That's my name. Very poor. Live on respect. Six minutes. 6 minutes for NYC Open. Hey man, there's nothing wrong with being broke. There's just nothing right about it either. Feel like intraday is pretty tough. I mean, I just don't want to be in positions when I'm off the charts. And I don't want to be off the charts when I'm in a position. I don't want to be here all day. Although lately it kind of feels like that. Nothing by 11 making a no trade day. I think, yeah, usually it's 11:30 cutoff, but there's a lot of potential lately around noon. Sometimes the best position is no position. Yeah, sometimes I'm in no position to be in a position. All right, well, we've come down here so we can kind of, I guess, get rid of what we were looking for and adjust to what we actually see. This is solid too. Wow, 4 hour looking to reflip. Can we get 2 4-hour leg candles in a row? That would be wild. But if that happened, we get a 4-hour leg candle here. I'm taking it with this 4-hour because that would close us below the range. Should be locked and loaded? Of course. It's NYC Open. Like, that is my favorite time to trade. There's not, like, if I were, hey, what candle would you want to trade all day? Like, if you had one candle, I'd pick the NYC Open candle. Like, I'd want to trade, like, You got 1 hour or 1 30-minute candle. I would say the 9 a.m. or 9:30 candle. That's it. Like if I had no idea what price action looks like, and I can only choose what time to trade, it would be 9:30. Because historically, that's the readable move. And it won't stall. Like usually 9:30 will, if you're getting a move at 9:30, you'll know whether you're wrong or right within a couple of minutes. You usually won't sit there with a 9:30 position, waiting for it to run. It'll be usually over within that half hour, if not within that first 5 minutes. Two minutes. Dos. This is going to be crazy if there's no bottom wick here. $30 looks really good. The 1 hour looks really good. The 15 looks like ass and feet. All right. We closed. There is a bottom wick there, and we are frozen. Hello? I like this bottom wick. This is really clean. I like, man, the hourly looks great as we're re-breaking that previous hourly low right here. 30 is incredible. Okay, I'm gonna have a sell limit here. Matter of fact, the limit should be lower. Or market, yeah. Right below here. I'm gonna sell here. Oh, I got in way late on my live account, but it's all right. Yo, hello? Yo, we should be up about 30 pips here. I don't know what's going on. This fucking thing froze. I got a really, really late entry on the live. Get in one more. Added a pineapple, pretty confident in this position. NYC open here, re-breaking the lows. What is this where it activated me? Really? Okay, 36.5 is my partials here. Sorry, hold on. 33, 30, 36.2. Be a little bit lower. Okay, here we go. Partials will be 33.3. That's where my partials are. I don't know why that activated me down here. We clicked it. It was 43 something, 43.9. I clicked it off the top wick here. Probably around even 44 areas. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's because the market moved extremely fast. By the time you pressed on it for it to somebody activate it and grab the order, it took a few seconds.
So it froze. You clearly seen it. Just like
Yeah.
my computer screen froze here for a second. Yeah, we
Yeah, I
should
mean,
be,
even if you look
we
at it
should
on
be
the
up
1
about
minute,
30 pips right now. Instead of
Yeah,
we're
actually,
down a couple.
yeah, nearly 40 pips or 50 pips at least. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I just saw just shoot down in the side. I was like, what the hell? So by
Yeah,
the
we
time
should be
that
up 40
took the
pips
order,
here. Well, that
Yeah.
was 40 pip difference between entries. That's so crazy.
It's a lot of money.
All right,
Yeah, it's a lot of
let's
money
do
for
this.
sure.
Let's do this. Let's do 20. We're gonna secure right here. Not yet. Hold on. Limit by here. That will be partials. All right. In here, 50 pips. I'm gonna secure partials right there for the live account. That I secured 50 stops to break even. Over here, we're gonna mark it by limit cancel and mark it by. Yo! This thing's gonna act weird right now. Yeah, we got a runner here, gang. We got a runner.
We got a runner.
W. Okay, let's put this to 5.
What's your TP?
Stop.
At the
Hold on.
bottom?
Let me set a buy
44.20?
stop here. $61. 61 secured on the funded, 50 on the live.
Nice. And what's your TP on that? Is it at the bottom there at 44.20 or something like that?
Live secured 44. What was that? My full
Oh, I was
TP?
saying, what's your TP? Around 44.20.
I'm gonna have the bottom of the
when you
range here. You're gonna see, you should see a reaction right there at 44.28.
28.
So that's
Yeah,
gonna
I
be my
had
next
26.
partials, and that's not gonna be full. If we come down here, this is gonna be a 3. So what I'm gonna do is secure. It's gonna be a 2. Limit by 2. Let's see if we can now push off this wick. See, it came back to it. It's a level of sorts. Let's see if this wick can now become a resistance, maybe on a 1 minute. There's a level here to the left right there. If we can push through it and close, let's say this 15 closes, we're gonna have a push here off this top wick from this area. Man, we should be in right here. I'm so tight. That's another 40 pips. There should have been over 100 pips on the partials. Kind of annoyed, but all right. W. 29. Flat. On my live, I secured only 50%, so I'm going to secure another 25 here at 29 flat. Remember what I said about what candle you'd rather trade throughout the entire day? This is it. This is the candle I prefer to trade the entire day. 91, 92.
Come on, baby. There it goes. Come on, come on, come on.
Wow, we need a rebreak. I need a rebreak out of lows here, and then we can push. Pushing. Yeah, I saw 95 there. And back to 50. Push us down, rebreak the lows. Uno más, por favor. Uno más, por favor, bro. Hurry up. 41. Oh, that hit 100 pips on the dot, actually. We saw 100 on the dot.
Stuff could have been about 150. But 100 is still a win. It's a nice win. Nice job.
Yeah, we should have
Congrats
been in
anybody
there
who
off the
with us.
top wick. I'm fucking tight. This shit's moving so fast, we couldn't get in on the top wick there.
Yeah.
Push us down. I think we break the lows. This should smash. I mean, like,
It would make sense.
It's NYC open. Why are we holding right now? Right now is the time to really smash through everything. But if I was going to have a candle to trade all day, I told you this would be it.
Yeah, there's the volume. We should push down. I think the buyers are just trying to push it back up. We haven't hit the actual level that we wanted to. And I was looking at 44.20, 44.26 or something like that as where it should react.
I was a bit iffy about the closure there, right at support.
Yeah.
But that opening was just perfect for us to take advantage because we're going to get that flip for NYC open and we would have been break even like that open. Instead, we're in down here. But I wouldn't have gotten in there if we didn't open like that. Like if it was just small bottom, but that opening was perfect for us.
Yeah, I mean, it broke the lows, pushed back up, and then came back down and then rebroke. And that would have been.
Yeah, but the lows that broke, it was barely a wick. It was NYC open.
Yeah.
You closed below the higher
because
time
of the
frames, the
volume.
1 and the 30. And as you're rebreaking the lows, NYC open should really push.
That's it. That's the idea. That's the idea.
It did. It pushed exactly
And
100.
by the way, while this is running, there's nothing else that people can do right now because we're in profit and the runner goes BE, so not much going on. Why did you choose the level that you chose or wanted to choose for the sell limit when you tried to activate it? Why was it specifically at that level, and you didn't think that it might still push back up for a bigger top?
It's just experience. I've seen it reject where it rejects. That's just, I told you all the time, knowledge guided by experience.
Yeah, I know. I asked because a lot of people sometimes are new and they'd like to understand why you were doing that. So I figured maybe you might
40.8.
have some insight or something else you'd want to tell them.
I got a better entry by about 10 pips on the live account. So usually you'll see price come back to here if it doesn't break this low. But when it smashes through the entire range, it comes back to the very first smaller time frame resistance. In this case, right, if you're looking at a smaller time frame, look. Previous support turned into a resistance. I was looking to take it on the 15 and the 30. I'm sorry, in the 30 off the 1 hour level right here, a bit lower, right there. But when it smashes through the entire range, usually the very first support or resistance, if it just broke into the range, I'd look at this high. But when it smashes with volume, it usually the very first possible rejection, it'll reject because there's so much volume to the downside. It just needs to tap a minor rejection, minor resistance area, and it usually smashes the other way because high volume time, you're heavily bearish. That little that little reaction, that reaction is going to be massive off a smaller level. It's what it does. It looks for the very first resistance. So a lot of times that 5 and a 15 will coincide, right? But if you look and you have a 15 closure somewhere where it's rejecting, like this is solid right there. For me, it was just like, all right, let's look to the left. Candles drove. Where do we have resistance? This candle right here, top wick came down. There's no closure there. And I was waiting for it to do something here, either to this wick or just start heading down. As soon as I saw it not past this area to this wick and just kind of start pumping down, I was like, all right, let me get in. I clicked it, but we were already down here when I clicked it. I'm like, ya mother. There we go. Have a nice win. The short wicks, thank you. Sorry on the shorts. Man, I just want to re-break at the lows, but the way we keep pumping back up here, the 5 is looking like fucking all wrinkled and shit. This shit looks like a witch's titty. Look at this. Nasty. Bring us down. Bring it down. So 61 secured on the sells on the funded. 48 secured on live. No, 44 secured on live. I don't know why. But I'm not done. I ain't leaving.
You should just say it. I'm not effing leaving.
I'm not effing leaving. His mic is a headache. Why is my mic a headache? Only if I
Your
do
mic
that
is
becomes
a
a headache.
That's weird.
His mic is a... All I need is one mic. I like wrinkled titties. Block me. All right. Not yours, Jay's? Oh, that's fine. Because Jay, for the longest time, had a way better mic than me. Jay could have fucking used a fucking red polo cup as a mic, and it sounded better than my microphone.
I'm not even using headphones. I'm talking directly out loud. Is it too loud? Is that what it is?
No, he said it crackles a lot.
Crackles what? Oh, it's because I have a fan right on me. That's
Snap.
what you're hearing.
Oh, you got a fan right
I have
on you?
fan
Bro?
right on me.
You need a bodyguard, bro. Better be your number one fan. It better
Yeah,
be
no, I
your
got a
number
fan.
one fan.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah,
got just a
she's right
random
on me.
fan on you,
Right on me.
yeah. Dang. Congratulations. You guys are part of the top 2% of traders worldwide who have experienced some blues in their terminal. And I don't mean Blues Brothers blues. I mean the blues. Look, see this level to the left right here, resistance. We should be able to tap right here and come right back down. This should come right back down. If it tends to push up, it should fake out. We should not come up here past that area. See this wick? This wick, if it breaks that high, we should be going. Do not come up higher than this. This needs to come right back down. If it breaks that high, we go into hit BE. Come on, Lee. Come on. Calm down. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth, my friend? Baby, come down. Come down. I've never, bro, you want to see some funny shit? I've never heard nobody sing the lyrics to that song correctly. Not nobody. You let people do that shit and they'll sing, come down, come down, come down. The funniest shit. I'd be playing it in the car and I have people in the car and everybody be singing it. And as soon as he says, come down, I just turn the music off just to hear what people be singing. My kids be like, Dad, come on, Dad. God damn it. Fuck it. Be like, relax. Why y'all tripping? Learn the lyrics, baby. Y'all tripping right now. Yo, can this fucking thing come down? I'm not into this fucking trend line forming thing. Calm down. I'm not trying to fucking have a Tory trades chart right now. Oh, yeah. Bitch, bring me down today. This is what sucks. See, we didn't break that low. If we broke that low and started coming up, I'd be a little more confident because we've created a lower low. We did not create a lower low here. We created a higher low. Leads me to believe we might create a higher high. Well, that's annoying. Yeah. Bring us back down. Bring us back down, you son of a... Come on. Come on. Yo, who do I gotta bribe today for gold to just run? You down with JPP? $10 million pip drop right now. Can gold price go into the negative? Can we see that? Can gold pull an oil? Come on, gold. This shit's giving me wrinkles and gray hair. Can't be doing this. Let's fucking go! Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Make it sweeter than this. I need type 2. Give me that type 2, baby. Come down. Give it to me. Just fucking give it to me. Maybe I can threaten it into running. Anybody got a gun? Where's my Allahu Akbar, people? Can somebody threaten this shit into running now? Hurry up! Typing up in chat, oil involved. Hell yeah, it's a, you know, I told you, sometimes you want this to be a well-oiled Diddy party. If this can turn into a well-oiled Diddy party, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Bro, run, just re-break the lows. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. God, it's coming. It's gonna happen. God damn it. Use. Just fill the leg candle already. Look, we have a leg candle right here. Right here. And we keep bouncing off the body of this damn leg candle. We have a leg candle right here. Just fucking fill it, bro. Fill it. It's too much to ask for. Yep, probably too much. All right. Smash down. Smash more. Come on. Right there. Secured at 107. Some partials. Oh, no. Yeah, 100. Damn. So 29. So 118 secured there. 118. 118, and I'm gonna move TP on gold to. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of the TP. I got 25% left running on my live. That was another 25% closure. $118 secured on the funded. Hey, remember the level? Right here. This is where TP is going to be. It fucking on the dot. Look, 29.8. I mean 28.9. We put it at 29 flat. It hit 28.9. So on point, on the dot. All right. In terms of the range, here's what's going to happen. Buy limit 2. Buy limit 1. Well, make sure you change if you change this right here, gang. Because you only have 3 left running. All right, we're up about 140 pips here, gang. $43.77. $44.05. Make sure stops are B. All right. I mean, that's it. This is what the rest of the day looks like. I mean, the rest of this trade, the rest of the session looks like. Where's my friend that said we're gonna go up? I think we're gonna go long. That's why we don't make that decision till we get some closures, buddy. I'm not trolling you. Yeah, you were actually like being humble. Yeah, I mean, but that's the reason. That's the reason. 118 though secured on trade. That's win number 703. We can update that. Yeah, losses have been kept small. The wins have been kept big. And where's my fucking cookie that I gotta crumble here? Crumble's the worst, yo. I literally gotta pick where I live based on proximity to school and distance from Crumble, from the next Crumble store. Like, I cannot have a Crumble in my zip code. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's so good. Let your winners win and stop your losers. Yeah, that's kind of how it's been lately. It's up now, or it's really falling. Is it okay to share opinions? Yeah, you can share your opinions, of course. Of course, I want you to share your thoughts, your opinions on trading, not on politics, not on the orange man, not on the C word, not on the W word, but if it's got to do with trading, if it somehow in some way, shape, or form impacts what we do here, yes. The more interaction, the happier I am. The better for the channel, the better for me, and it gives me content in terms of talking, discussion, right? You guys drive topics. I just discussed them. I don't drive the topic, I drive the discussion, right? I can carry, right? I can really carry, but you guys decide which direction I'm gonna carry you guys in. We know channel is growing, mate. Algos, I want it to be growing. Please drop a like, sub to the channel. We got massive W's here. We got a small runner left. We've secured 118 pips. We're up over 100 pips on the runner here. Let's see if we can really do some damage. Live account TP is down here, 43.77. That's the live account TP. And the funded, I'm splitting the remaining 3. 2 here, 1 down there, just for shits and giggles. I do not like your hairstyle. I don't like your accent. I have no idea if you even have an accent, but to me, it sounds like you have accent, my friend. Very, very not like. Very not like. I put my hair up for you, okay? Just so you don't have to stare at it while it's down. And this fucking thing just fucking melt, bro. Four-hour closure. Holy shnikes, gang. 4-hour close. Coming. You don't even know, do ya? Come on, come on. Heavy drop, heavy drop. Ba ba. 14,000 pips down. Let's go. Gonna close with no wick, huh? It's got a nubbin. It's got a nurple. There's a wickety. No, I think we're good. Yeah, it looks cute. Got a bottom wick right into this area. I mean, we should be able to fill down to 44.17. I don't see why we wouldn't. Right? We should at least fill this area, and if we are going to come up, to grab orders and then come back here. There's no reason for us just to hold with that, with range left, with that heavy bearish push. Stop taking the same trade as TTE. LOL. I'm paying. That shit's still pointing. TTE is in this. It's impossible for TTE to be in this position. He doesn't take wick entries. Impossible for him to be in the same position that we are in. You know how I would know? By this time, I would have at least 3 or 4 fucking threats right now in my phone. Yeah, I have not had my phone going off. But it's impossible because we were looking at top wick entries, and I know he doesn't take wick entries. If anything, he would have taken the rebreak at a low. Well, okay. So yeah, because of that, And even then, I don't think TT would have taken this at support, right? Unless he's looking at it like this. Even, I don't know. It's impossible for him to have had the same entry idea. I get he might have had the same sell. He had an entry at 44.40. What, break of the lows here? 44. Yeah, that means he would have had his level up here. Whoa, don't move that. We don't want to move that. Yeah, this right here. Probably had his level here.
Yeah, we definitely.
But
have
even
fallen
then,
trade.
he would have taken the break of the lows here. He wouldn't have taken a top wick entry. Yeah, we clicked the button right here, and somehow this shit entered here. Well, yeah, we clicked the button up there. He was in already before you? Yeah, I doubt it. I was in off a top wick here. But regardless, did he win? Did he win? That's all that matters. If he won and he's moving further and further away from poverty, and there are people following it and winning with him, then he is all right in my book. I fuck with him. I like Nick. Nick is good people. Number one, he's never zesty. He always supports. He always gives credit where it's due. Number three. Well, actually number four for those who's counting, and those of you that are counting. Right? Is that four or is number three now? No, it's number four. He's helping people. He's genuinely helping people, and he genuinely has your interest in mind. Like these things are all important. And when mentors or people that you're learning from, if they don't go deeper into the topic without you asking, they're not looking out for you. They're looking out for themselves to just to kind of get you off their back, make a simpler explanation. If somebody goes out of their way to answer your question, and then without you asking for details, they go into details, yeah, those are the people you want to be around, because they're genuinely interested in getting across to you, getting through to you. The communities are more family than foe than they realize. Man, because it's so many of the same people. Yeah, Nick enjoys teaching. I enjoy teaching as well. I enjoy explaining things and getting across to people. Like, fuck with him. Give credit where credit's due, and he does good work. Got a really good community. Does puts in work. You guys should be sponging off as much info as you can, as all of these places. Here, on his stream, Don's stream, even there. Because Don's done it in a long time. Yeah, it'd be incredible if we catch some of these runners, bruh. Yeah, a little tight we didn't catch the top wick right there, like, because if that got activated there instead of here, like I'm not worried about the runner at all. Over here we come back tap, but the wick entry, if that runner gets tapped out, we're breaking structure. Right here at this tap out, we're not breaking structure, but I'm not gonna be up 150 pips here and then not fucking go break even. If you're up 100 pips and you let your trade go into the negative, you're an asshole. Don't be an asshole. We got over 100 viewers? No, we got 96. 9669. Maybe we had over 100, but all good. Damn, this came down, up and down like multiple times. Look at these wicks. Boom, down, up, down, up, down, up. 4 times we've come down, come up, come down. Look at our entry though, right above this wick. If you were going to have entries anywhere here, your stops would be there. That's our break even. So, oh, will this finally collapse? Come on, man. I need a 911 on the charts here. Come on, just fucking fall. Imagine in the background over here, you just see those fucking, the skyline collapsing right in the background of my. Yeah. If that shit happened, you know, bro. You know the Taliban is fucking tuning in on next stream. Like, oh, this guy's got something. He's onto something here. You could see skyline collapse right on chart. Oh, vey. Oh, sorry, the Jewish just came out. He's onto something, my friend. He have chart go kaboom. Chart is new objective. Word. Wix 9's background skyline. The symbol of America's freedom. Is there a pump it down song? Don't you know, pump it down? You've got to pump it down. No, we don't have those. Just to pump it up. Will this fucker collapse, bro? 44, 40. Put this at 200 here. Let's see. Let's see if we can tap 200 pips here. Nick will tell you, listen to Bob Proctor. Wix goes, kaboom! It is what it is, bro. I just like laughing. I enjoy high quality satire. Humor and me live on the same block, on the same building, on the same floor. We might even be sharing a room. Yeah, and a lot of time, my life is just like that. I swear, I bump into high quality satire by mistake all the time. I just don't write it down. I live through it. Laughter brings more years to your life. I read that somewhere. Yeah, so is having birthdays. The more birthdays you have, the longer you live. Trust me. Source, trust me, bro. Yeah, technically it should be here, but for the what you call it? For the algo, I want it right here. Break these lows, baby.
Yeah, no, it was writing that he's going to hold his runner till the weekly flip at 4,400. Another 270 pips.
Who said that?
Daniel.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold my runner for another 500.
Yeah, once you have the
right there
micro left, then you're fine.
43.70s. I'm just gonna hold that down.
Even more. Goddamn.
Shit, once we get there, I might even delete that altogether.
Wow.
Give me 200 pips. Give me 200 pips. Hey! Hey, Wix, if you didn't take that position earlier, where would you look for sells? Right now, I'd be saying, damn, we need more candles to print now. I need new structure. That's what I'd be saying. We need more weed. New structure gots to form. Come on, collapse. Collapse, 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 collapse. Collapse like a fucking Russian economy. Let's go. Bobbing, bobbing. W's, W's, W's. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. Oh, oh, oh. Just fucking break through already. God damn it. Can't open this wrapper. This is getting annoying. It's harder. No, I don't even want this candy no more. I'm just trying to open it for the principle. Because I didn't want to be a pussy that can't open a fucking candy wrapper, but I'm on CFD, so your money does not match mine's. Man, we could have been eye to eye and we'd get the same result. You're already at 4,300? Maybe you're still at 4,300, not already. Like the number I'm typing. Yeah, I know. I get it. Price. It looks the same, but it's just different price. You're trading on an unregulated, manipulated broker. I'm trading on a regulated US broker with a centralized feed that comes directly from the exchange. We are not the same. Chat, do I come off rude? I'm just trolling. These are just jokes. These is just jokes.
So rude, bro. So rude.
Nah, people tell me that I'm rude. That's why I don't want to come here. Because I smoke, curse, and I'm rude.
Yeah.
I think it's fun here, no? Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Wix 9 Clubhouse. Come inside and trade inside. Yeah.
No pun intended.
What?
I said no pun intended.
Mm-hmm. People get
Keep
offended
saying,
by
come
the stream.
inside, come inside.
Yeah.
Mhm.
If I offended you.
Look at that. Javi's here. So, Javi.
Same, but not the same. Caviar in the building. Glad to have you. Where's Edward? Eduardo? What are you doing? Where are you going? Come back down. I just want 200 pepperoos. You have any more news coming up? What's the dealio? Oh, yeah. Look at this. Mortgage delinquencies. They're going to be talking about all of us. Actually, no. Natural gas storage before us. They're going to be talking about me first. Me and Benny right here. Natural gas storage. That's all Benny, actually. Benny. Still starting that gas? Let's go for a walk, bro. Finally remember to jump on in the morning. Yeah. Jump on it. Jump on it. He won't lose. Where's Benny? He's tanning. He's getting his orange man on. I told him after he's done to lower fucking gas prices. Benny, where you at? Benny, come here. Come, everybody wants to say hi. Go. Inside. Benny. Come inside. It's fun inside. Come here, bro. Yo, come here. Say hi. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get the band back together, bro. What's on your eye? Come here. All right, let's go. Bring it in. Hug a mugga. High five. High five. Come on. Let's go, bro. Come on. Go. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. You're falling over.
Took buys when it rejected. Down there, I actually took buys. I'm in a position right now.
Gary. Gary. Taking these
I was
buys,
hoping that
eh?
you would close it off. Yeah.
Why you're not sharing, huh? Why you gatekeeping your positions, bro?
Oh, because you're in a sell and I didn't want to jinx it. I was hoping it would touch your level so I could get in, but once it rejected, I got back in right as soon as it flipped. And I'm looking at the 5. So I'm up by 80 pips right now. And I was hoping it would touch your fucking level, and I kept waiting, and it rejected like 3 times.
You're such an asshole. You're such an asshole.
Yeah. Your stop loss on the runner is my TP basically.
Yep.
Close to it.
You mean my break even? Don't be saying stop loss.
I mean your break even. Sorry.
We ain't hitting no stop loss.
no,
We
no,
hit
no.
stop B on the runner.
No. You're in profits. You're in profits. I'm saying that it would be close to it would be around the 42 level. 43.
Bro,
level,
act surprised.
something around there. You're surprised?
No, I tell my dog to act surprised.
Oh, okay.
Does he look surprised or what?
I just closed partials. It's rejecting. I just closed partials. Stop loss to be. Alright. I'll shut up.
Bro. He just fell on me. He's just, bro, surprised. Yeah, he had a good night. He ate another one of my clips last night, right out of the ashtray. He was fucking stumbling right by the pool. I had to walk him in. You have 4 Germans. Ask him if he wants smoke, bro. Ask the two Germans down the block. Yeah. There's fucking 2 German shepherds down the block. Like, and the thing is, Benny's Jewish, right? So when they find that shit out, we're gonna have a fucking doggy holocaust over here because he fucked them up. He didn't just fuck them up. He fucked them up like, y'all better go get the rest of the Third Reich and come back here. Because you ain't doing this shit alone. Yeah. Dog on dog crime, bruh. Yeah, he's a Jewish bully.
What?
Yeah. Him and German Shepherds do not see eye to eye. Benny deserves reparations for what the fuck they try to do to him. They try to jump him, bro. He's funny though. He creates a lot of funny moments.
My rudder is still running.
Word?
Let's see, it left the top.
Me
way,
too.
So hopefully,
Me
hopefully it
too.
comes back down. Yeah, we're in different positions and we're both in profit. And we both
I
have
hope you
the
secure
runners.
because my runner is gonna keep going.
I did. I closed partials at 35. I closed partials at 35 because it kept rejecting there, and I was like, all right, screw it.
My
So-
runner bigger than your runner.
True.
Well,
My
we don't
runner's
know
only-
that yet. We don't know that yet.
No. It is because my entry is at 27.
All right. No
And
argument. No
plus
argument.
your
No argument. Yeah.
index.
Mine's bigger than yours. It is what it is. It is what it is.
No pun intended. Pause.
Wait. Are we making a bottom wick somewhere on the smaller? On the no. Caught. Fucking
No, we
drown,
We-
bitch. Drown.
we closed with a top wick on the previous 5. Then we had a top wick first, bottom wick, came back up, and then now it's pushing back down, so it's better for you.
I don't think the aliens
Re-rating
want
the
us to
lows.
know what you're saying, bro.
Oh, okay. Well, it's likely to tap me out, and if it does, it should push to your TV.
Yeah, I mean, like,
I hope so, because I'm fine.
Word. I hope so too. Like, I don't mean anything bad by it, but I hope it does knock you out because that's gonna take me to TV.
I honestly, whenever I secure partials
You don't
and I
care.
only have a runner, I don't care what happens because I've made the money I needed to make.
And that's the way you should
Based on the
approach it. That's
trade.
the right mindset.
Correct. Because I also took
Anything
the
else,
sells,
just a
but
bonus.
I also took the sells and I made profit there. So when I closed full when it kept rejecting, and then I got into buys. So I made the profit from the sells that you were in as well. And I was in, and then I was in the
You
buys
double
and the bad
dipping.
couple.
You double
Hell yeah, bro.
dipping.
Hell yeah, bro. Look, it's so rare that we get opportunities where we have a massive rejection there. The way that it's working, and we
Setting
have a
up,
lot
yeah.
of volume, so I had to take advantage. So when I knew it was going to come down the way that it did, I figured I'd do that and secure at the bottom. When it kept rejecting, pushing back up, coming back down, I said, all right, fuck it. I'm going to get in, and I secured 80 on that. So it's rare I do that, but it just gave us the opportunity. Yeah, Jay's sound is not great. Yeah, because I have a fan right on me because I'm in the basement, and there's no AC here. in the basement.
You're
You can
snap,
tell the
crackling, popping, bro.
Yep.
What it's doing.
Yeah. Just pretend you don't hear the crack and the snap on the pop.
Can this thing drown? We need a song. We need a song.
By the way, great song on your intro today. Great song.
Yes. It was either that or
Great song.
Queen.
Maybe tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Because it just pumped me up today. I was like, hell yeah.
Yeah, it was either that or Bohemian Rhapsody.
No, I was in the mood for some pump to pump me up. And that was,
It was-
way better.
Mama.
Yeah.
Or We Will Rock You. That could have been. But I was gonna go with Queen, and then I'm like, nope. It really smells like Teen Spirit in this house.
It was good. It was a great idea.
Wait, we need this one. Yeah, this is a good one.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Come on, Gold, drown.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch. I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy,
Nice,
I feel like
nice.
I'm holding up a mountain.
So hopefully
What was the entry?
it'll push it down at 26.8.
I don't go nowhere
Without them.
If they don't let us in, they might throw shots at the bouncer. Activist medicine.
Oh, they're coming for those royalties? Yeah, he can have the 40 cents.
I'm with RJ, but I call him Wayne cause he's a shotter. Pick up the ladder, put it in the
Yo,
gun.
imagine I go right on time for it to push down and get to your level. Perfect. My 10,000 watts worth.
Let's go. Let's go. The reason I got a TP here, gang. This is my level right here. This 420 level. That's my cannabis level.
We was trying to get to the top and they tried to stop us. I talk for myself, bitch. I don't need no fucking voucher. She looked at my wrist and she looked at 100,000. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded.
Oh, I can't see it, huh?
Bust down, bitch. I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain.
Right, join here. Bust down, bitch. I'm drowning.
Just bought a brand new chain from Aviani. Nigga with attitude, but I ain't from Compton. Look cool that bitch, I'm polo down like Carton. Sniper gang, I put a nigga on the carton. I'm the shit, I'm farting. I don't know how to party. Pull up in a Rari, I'm in the yo like Gotti. Hey, boogie, I'm going Scotty. Nigga drop my deposit. I ain't Jamaican, bitch, I'm Haitian, but I got them shotters. Harley Davidson every day, I'm riding with the chopper. They hate
Drown in this song right now.
Nigga prosper. I ain't doing trims, I'm in the cut like I'm a barber. She call me daddy, but I ain't her motherfucking father.
So icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning in water.
The cannabis level, 4420. Let's go.
Everywhere that I go, it's a light show.
I'm surrounded. I'm drowning.
I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded.
Bust down, bust down, bust down.
Bitch, I'm drowning.
Drowning.
Bitch, I'm drowning.
Funny. Like my pops say, too much bitch and fuck. Too much bitch and fuck. On stream.
Yeah, this should come down, man.
No. Look at that closure. Leg handle. At resistance. No bottom wick. Yeah, only I think it
No
should come
bottom
down
wick,
for a
yeah.
bottom wick
Oh,
and then
there it
push
is.
up. Oh!
Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna close full on the live right there, 240 pips. On the funded here, we're just gonna leave this one lot running. Yeah, so 240 pips closed.
W.
Bro, W song right before it ended, right as it was ending. Wait, hold on. My evil laugh's gotta come out.
You sound like Count Chocula.
Yeah. That's as evil as I can get. Count Chocula, baby. That has to be a tweet. A tweet?
Yo, that was a hell of a bottom link.
Buzz down, buzz down, buzz down, buzz down. Send that bus down. So yeah, we smashed 240 pips on the live account. Closed full.
Are you gonna put up the numbers? Or are you gonna wait until this one?
No, that's the same win. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up right now. Sells 240. What?
Hell yeah.
Why would I not
Yeah.
put that up? Yes. Sells 240. Plus 240.
This is interesting though. The 30 really created a huge massive bottom. Went to grab a few buyers, and then so this might just come back up and reject and break you out.
Ask me
At
if
least
I
you
care.
secured all the
Ask me if I
profits.
care. It hit my light joint level. I'm gonna light that joint,
Do
bro.
you care? Do you care? Jay, you drunk? You sound triple.
How
Bro,
about no?
doesn't make sense.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Definitely do not care. Hey, it hit our light joint level. So that means, what does that mean, gang? He's like the fucking joint, right? Hey, and on the off chance this thing decides to melt again, covered with this one. Good closure there on the live, because look at this thing. We closed
You know how it
right.
goes.
We closed right here somewhere at 16.
Yeah. Now you know how it goes when an opening of a big candle drops like that, and you have no bottom wick on the other one.
Yeah, and this was a light
it's going to
candle,
crash.
and you closed above here. That's actually exactly how it goes. You're right. That's what happens. It was right back
Yeah,
there.
so smart closure, yeah, for sure. And on my part too, when on my buys, it was great closure as well.
We closed, and look, it's 140 pips from our closure back up. Like,
That's why I'm looking for something. Right now, we'll see. We'll see.
yeah, fun stream. It's a fun stream when you're sitting the entire stream not in drawdown, but in profit. It's
but
been
where are
like
the
that
haters
lately.
now?
We're just sitting here in profits waiting for this shit to hit instead of sitting in drawdown waiting for it to hit.
Yeah, where are the haters now?
Yeah, I mean, I'll take
complaining
that.
and
I'll take
bitching
the stream of sitting in profits. But the thing is, more values typically. It typically comes out of a drawdown stream because there's so much discussion. I know a lot of yours are fucking, yeah, we're taking a trade, acting confident, but behind the screen over there, you're panicking. Internally. There's an internal fire alarm going off. All right, so what do we want to see? Well, technically, we want to see this. Come on. Bearish flip. Guess not. Yo, we need a song here. We need a song because this thing drowned.
Like an actual song that can get you a strike, you mean?
Like an actual song that can get you a strike.
You want to play an actual song?
Yeah, I mean, we just did. You probably didn't hear it because you're on the Zoom
No.
side.
Yeah, I'm only listening on Zoom.
Yeah, we were on. That's why we're all going crazy because we're listening to "Drowning" while this thing was drowning.
That's why you said the song was about to end and then that happened. Okay.
Yeah, because he was yelling "bust down, bust down, bust down," and it was as soon as he was ending the song, it was saying "drowning." The shit just collapsed.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you kind of missed the vibe. Yeah, you missed the storm. I guess it was quiet on your end. Quiet. Ooh. I think I named the next song here. I think I just named the next song. I gotta light that joint to hit my light joint level here. I'm still not smoking.
Blood, sweat, and tears. Niggas dead and shit. The f else could happen, yo? I don't think much more, son. Mother, yo. Yeah, seen it all and been through it all, yo. That's how I know right now, yo. The mother for real, for real.
Queen B, baby.
The truth.
Lil' Kim. B.I.G.
I'm lying.
Yo. Blowing this with rusty ass German things. Giving the double as I motherfucking claim the fame. Throwing your wetsuit when it rains and pours and all. Hitting with the fall, don't even know him from a hole in the wall. Get at me, wanna clap me. Snitches wanna rap me, put it right where they back be. Keep my guns close to me, enemies even closer.
Oh, they took out
Sending kites with the
the N-word.
Motorolas. Yo, give them the cold soda with a hollow tip to match. Bad apple
I
out
only
of
listen
the
to that
batch.
song for that reason.
Since a little dude eating full $1.50s. Just get to
What's
kill
the
me, but
N-word
they
you
coming
talking
with me.
Yeah.
How about that? Send the queen bee to attack. Only you fly like that can leave him relax. Rock him to sleep. Make him think the drama is dead. Yo, I smile up in your face, though I'm plotting instead.
Yo, it's the real to make you feel. Dump them in the club. Have you out and out when you bump this. Drugs to your eardrum, the war uncut. Having OD, cause it's never enough. Yo, it's the real to make you feel. Dump them in the club. Have you out and out when you bump this. Drugs to your eardrum, the war uncut. Having OD, cause it's never enough. Hot damn hole, here we go again.
Hey,
Like
gangs,
it's a
please
rock.
drop a like, sub to the channel, turn on your notifications so you know where we're on, and please share this stream. Share the shit out of this stream. Come on.
Another notch under my belt. The embezzler, chrome treasurer, the UNO competitor. I'm 10 steps ahead of ya. I'm a leader. Yeah, I'm some following shit. Coming in this game on some modeling shit.
Bing bong.
This up just to get to the top. I put 100% in every line I drop. It's the Q to the B with the MOBB. Queensbridge, Brooklyn, and with D-double-E-P. What? Y'all wish I lived the life I live. And yo, Prodigy, tell them what this is, done. Yo, it's the real to make you feel. Lump them in the club. Have you out and out when you bump this.
Hip-hop.
To your eardrum, the war uncut. Having OD, cause
it's never enough.
Yo, it's the real to make you feel. Lump them in the club. Have you out and out when you bump this. Drugs to your eardrum, the war uncut. Having OD, cause it's never enough.
I can never get enough of it. Yo, that's my. I need that to boost my adrenaline. Yo, rock that. That real life makes they wanna thug it. Makes the projects love it. We come through like it. Yo, want problems, pursue it. Let's do it. Infamous small bosses. Check out the portrait at the round table. My third speaker with his twin ghosts is gangster. How we rock while you watch. Attracted to our style. This is how we get down.
W.
With
What
big
a
jewelry
fucking
and big
W.
stuff. We get busy, it get grizzly. Beat, bloody twist, get frontin', get the running. For the Miz, get the dumping. The fans get the thumping. MOBB, got the whole spot jumping. When my step in the place, damn, you gotta love it.
The real to make you feel. Dump them in the club. Have you out and out when you
Hip-hop.
bump this. Drugs to your eardrum, the war uncut. Having OD, cause it's never enough. Yo, it's the real to make you feel. Dump them in the club. Have you out and out when you bump this. Drugs to your eardrum, the war uncut. Having OD, cause it's never enough. It's the real.
Lately I've been hard to reach. I've been too long on my own. Everybody has a private one where they can be alone. Are you calling me? Are you trying to get through? Are you reaching out for me? I'm reaching out for you. I'm just so fucking depressed, I just can't seem to get out this slump.
What? Depressed? Who's depressed? We just got a 250-minute runner. Yeah, you can't be singing this shit right here.
Took my lumps, fell down and I got right back up. But I need that spark to get psyched back up in order for me to pick them.
Let's go. Man of the year.
Yeah. Brassy girls everywhere. Titty ass hands in the air. So party over here. Shaking for the man of the year. Man of the year.
Bounce.
Man of the bounce. Brassy girls everywhere. Titty ass hands in the air. So party over here. Shaking for the man of the year. Man of the year. Man of the bounce. Home of the party in the trees. Sunny land of the G's. Please
All right. What do we got?
Down for the breeze, burnt lips, got a blood full of weed, peace, love, enemies. Nigga, I ain't come for the beef, you ain't know she came for the speed, got fight for the cheeks. Nigga, I'm the life for the beat, fuck that, this shit, gotta eat. Bounce for the crown, you be hating and I still hold it down. When you round, man, the girls never lounge, man, I heard you a hound. Bruh, man, that bitch need a pound, tip, bounce out of gown, hands high to the sound. Yeah, I'm the rich nigga now, bitch, I'm the talk of the town, make a bitch run the mouth. Yeah, go south for the boy, pop down to the floor.
Bounce.
Yeah. Brassy girls everywhere. Titty ass hands in the air. So party over here. Shaking for the man of the year.
Bounce. All right, gotta like that joint, gang. I said it. I'm gonna do it. Say we're gonna do it. It was a light joint level here. We hit it. Gotta like that joint, gang.
Home of the slinging on the curb. Weed cards every corner sell herb. Watch it fly to a bird. Nigga, I can pitch you a curb. Let this real shit occur. Make meals from a bird. Nigga, cop a crib in the burbs. Nigga, you ain't said nothing but a word. Smoke something for your nerve. Home of the paid on the first end. Nigga going broke by the third. Bounce for the crown. Fast forward, getting real to me now. Every dog need a cat to me out. Every once in a while.
Every dog needs a cat to meow every once in a while.
Jumping around. Tits ass bump out of gown. Bounce from the ground. Height for the sound. This first straight from the morgue. Down from the floor.
Bounce.
Bounce. Yeah. Brassy girls everywhere. Titty ass hands in the air. So party over here. Shaking for the man of the year. Man of the year. Man of the bounce. Brassy girls everywhere. Titty ass hands in the air. So party over here.
Oh, wait. I fucked up. Sorry.
Man of the bounce. Brassy girls everywhere. Titty ass hands in the air. So party
Well,
over here. Shaking for the
BE on the last 2% of the position is about to get hit. All right. Oh, whoa, hold on. This is things at 3. I'm gonna close it here instead of changing it. Yeah, we hit BE there, but my buy limit was a 3, so I just closed it.
I had to get my hustle on. I had to get my hustle on.
Mama wasn't rich, my daddy was poor. I couldn't take no more.
I had to get my hustle on. I had to get my hustle on. Growing up, I ain't never had nothing. Had to get out there in them streets and get myself something. Feel me? Chilling with the Legion of Doom at an early age. Watching all the older niggas in the hood get paid. Yo, I knew I could get it if I wanted to, cause I lived on the corner where all the bass heads came through. So it's only right that I get my just due, B. Shit, I ain't chose hustling chose me. This my block. I live here, I sell drugs here. Let a nigga come through and cut my throat. I dare, I swear. I got the tray 8 in the tree, and the gauge is right over there. Where? In the bushes for you dishes, and one eye out, a nigga keep looking for police and them bass heads juxing. Shit, I looked for a job, but that ain't last long. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to get my hustle on.
My daddy was poor. I couldn't take no more.
I had to get my hustle on. I had to get my hustle on.
If we got our entry where we clicked for that entry, we would have caught over 300 pips today.
I had to get my hustle on. Now I'm addicted to calls.
You need a playlist? What?
240 ain't too shabby either, bro.
Yeah. Good day. It was a good day.
Hey, big difference between those days where it used to close at 10 pips, right?
12 pips W. You ever see me collecting W's at 12 pips? Stop following me. Find somebody else. You ever see me doing that shit?
We never even closed partials at the time. We draw down for like 150, 165 pips. They all make 12 pips with a massive pineapple. Bro, those days, man.
W!
Damn. Hey, it brought us to where we are, right?
You're new here, scroll back on the live streams we used to kill for 10 pips. Yeah, go back 5 years.
Yeah.
Go back like go back to like 2022 live streams, 4 years. DJ 11 pips W. What? Killing it. My daddy was
Back in the day, Asian moving an entire section from the range was like 40 pips. That was the range. It was like massive. Now we're seeing swings of like 300, 400, 500 pips, bro. People have no idea if they were there back in those days. Senor J, you still sound still so new.
Yeah, you're still crackling. I hear you okay.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know. It's not that bad. I don't know if unless it's like really bad on you, because I hear you fine more or less. It's not bothersome. But
let me see if I can fix something.
Trying to fix something. You can't fix something that can't be broken. Oh wait, you can't break something that can't be. I don't know. However it goes. What does the song go?
Maybe there's something on my mic settings that I changed accidentally. Let me go check.
You cannot break down what can't be broken. Out of all the rankless,
I was chosen.
when all of the lights they get low and all of the curtains they close. You cannot break down what can't be broken.
They could do all they can do, but they can't break unbreakable. They scared to face the truth because they hate the view. They taste the juice, I hope it make them puke. I'm breaking loose. Should I throw up the deuce or should I wave the deuce? In 1982, my mama take me to a space shuttle. Say now I'm raising you, and ain't no baby food unless you go and take the neighbor's food and be afraid of poo. I made the loot when money went from almond green to navy blue. I said salute, bulletproof. I gave them proof.
This was the trade.
Like my head is screw, twisted like tornadoes too. Man, I'ma need some crazy glue. Her walls is what I'm breaking through. Her nails, she gon' break a few. You could never break me down, and I can't hit the brakes for you.
You cannot break down
What can't be broken?
out of all the rankless. I was chosen when all of the lights they get low.
And Dre's mic is ready to go. Oh, I mean Jay's. Sorry.
Cannot break down what can't be broken.
Cheat code.
We can't break the cheat code. We bros.
Can't be
The stream is a cheat code.
We bros. We can't break for these hoes. Cheat code.
Can't be broken.
I ain't finna break or fix the brakes. You emulate, I'm laughing in your face. Now fix your face. I can't disintegrate, cause I facilitate a meal a day for like a million days. At least the bills are paid, the children safe. Wanna get away? No, I'm here to stay. I'm really great, but don't discriminate.
All right, any questions? We're 9 minutes away from this trade. The runner paid the remaining 1% hit BE. Trade F and trade secured over 240 pips. W.
You cannot break down what can't be
Any questions? No questions. Please drop a like, sub to the channel. That's all I ask. The stimulus checks are in the mail. The Wix 9 stimmies have been mailed to your trading account. And the least I can ask for is a sub. Smash that thumbs up and sub to the channel. Whoa, we'll be live, by the way, 10 hours from now. 9 hours from now. I'm sorry, 9 hours from now. Wix 9 is live 9 hours from now. 8 p.m. EST. All right, what are we doing? Uno más? Oh, I feel marvelous. I feel big. Is that what you said? I feel big? Yeah. Good day today. It's always a good day. It's never, you might have a bad moment. You might have a bad colossal, or you might have a bad trade. Not a bad day. Not a bad week. Not a bad year. It's not a bad life. It's all perspective. One trade will not define who you are. But the way you approach every situation, I think, will really, really build your character, build who you are. Stay stoic in wins and in losses. Don't celebrate these wins too much. I'll tell you why. It's you really just want to build winning habits. You not celebrating, going crazy and wild over this win will help you not really beat yourself up on your next loss. You take this too close to heart, you're going to take the losses even closer to heart. Just stoic. This is supposed to happen. I'm going to bring this up again. Remember Michael? Jordan, Jackson, Tyson. Right? You remember Michael Jordan? For that guy? Woo. You remember how he celebrated when he hit the shot versus Utah? The game-winning shot, his last shot with the Bulls? What did he do? He went, because this shit's supposed, he didn't go fucking shot. No. He hit the shot, and his reaction was like, that's what's supposed to happen. Nothing else was supposed to happen. That's what was expected. That's how it played out. That was the probability. Like, that was the likelihood. It wasn't the likelihood wasn't that the Jazz were going to hold off MJ on that last possession. The likelihood was MJ was going to fucking score and win the game, and everybody knew it beforehand. And when it happened, his reaction was like, yeah, we knew this. Like, this was supposed to happen. All right, let's continue. This W is supposed to happen. Every time you win, that's what's supposed to. It's not like, holy shit, I won. Your reaction shouldn't be, it should be, did my job. Did my job. This is what we work for. This is to get the job done. Get the job done. Can't celebrate shit that's supposed to happen. Right? Like some shit you're just supposed to do. Not a celebration. You're supposed to do this when you got here. Every stream you said gym reps. Yep. You ever going to the gym and just do the whole rack? Your first time in the gym? No, you build up to it, right? The only way you can do the whole rack, top to bottom, and really, really scale is showing up every day. Same thing here. You can't fucking trade at a 50 or 100 lot or 50K or 100K or 200K account without getting your reps up and building up that muscle and the mechanisms that you need to put in place in order to be able to lift the whole rack or to be able to trade those lots or be able to handle a big account. You need to build yourself.
How's the sound this time? You guys
Oh
still hear
man,
crackling?
crisp, perfect.
Oh, yeah, you hear it now without the crackling?
Yeah, boy, you sound like Howard Stern.
All right, sounds good. All right, let's welcome our next girl.
Okay, now you sound terrible.
Clap her. Ooh, what a beauty! What a body! Come on in.
Who's coming in? Beetlejuice? Act like you've been here before. Yes. Yes. Not even like you've been here before. Act like you belong here. Act like you belong here. This was supposed to happen. Anything else should be surprising. Anything else is out of the ordinary. If there was any other result than this, then it's like, well, that wasn't in the fucking program, right? That's not on the itinerary. We like, that's all. That's the off chance for anything else to happen. This is the likely, the probability. This is what's dictated. This is what's required of us day in and day out. All right. Honestly think I'm gonna call it a session here. 11 o'clock. We're heading into the London close volume. It's the last bit of volume before lunchtime, right? So last half hour. But the way this has played out, there's just absolutely no effing reason for us to do anything but get some rest, touch some grass, get some sun, and get ready for Asian session. Since we came in here with Nirvana, we might leave with some Metallica. How about that? We want Metallica? Yeah. We got this. No, this is too down. No, we got to leave with something hype. We got this. I was going to do Metallica, but that's too quiet. Too calm. Finally, yeah. Finally. Well, if you're always sticking around for the trades, at least stick around for the vibes. Anyway, drop a like, sub to the channel. Shout out to everybody that showed up today and won. Congratulations. The Wix9 stimmies are in the mail to your accounts. I'll see you guys tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. 8 p.m. Eastern. For Asian session. Be there. Make sure you're there. Patty on the
Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred
Thanks, everybody.
silence and sleep.
Thank you, Jay. Appreciate you coming through. Appreciate you. All right, that should do it. Zoom gang, I'm gonna see you guys on the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you so much for helping me run the stream. As always, chat, love and wisdom to you all. I'll see you guys tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Thank you, gang. Bring your A game tonight, and let's continue this momentum. Asian session. Later.
life into the man's heart. When I became the sun, I shone life into the man's heart.
Window, they suck you.